Hey, and welcome to Kie and Craig's Crazy Craft Corner, part 2 of the Terror Dog. We put the frame together in the last video. We've got that all done, and now we're going to start applying the styrofoam and the great stuff that we have so that we can carve this out.
Let's get to it.
Stay tuned.
Here we go.
anyone who's seen our previous video knows that Scott had a hard time with the Great Stuff dispenser. If you want to check out that video, it's pretty funny.
Will it be in the description below?
It will, or you can just subscribe to our YouTube channel and you can have access to all the videos that we've posted, that being
optimal.
one of them.
I just had a different technique. That's all.
So
The technique being wrong.
I know that Scott's a little scared to handle this again, so we're going to have our so-called expert do it and show you exactly how it's done and the mistake that Scott made when he did it. Basically, there's a little red tab right here. Now, when Scott did it, having never done it before, so let's cut him some slack, he had the tab open, which means that the minute he stuck it on the can, it started squirting stuff out everywhere, and it was a mess. So we have now learned, A, to keep this little tab down when you unscrew it off the thing, and B, you have to commit. Don't be scared of the can because once it started freaking out, Scott started freaking out, and then it was just a big mess. So you just gotta try and go for it. So is it?
Oh, that was really good though.
Is it? Well, you can get it off. You're strong.
Yeah, come on.
Come on, Craig. Show them how
You're
it's
showing
done.
me the right way to do
I can
things.
put, I didn't say anything
so-called-
about taking it off.
you
I said about
so-called-
putting it on.
You so-called expert.
You always take it off though.
Hey,
is-
you didn't
Yeah.
hear that from me.
She takes. Oh, that.
Huh.
Maybe if you screw it
That's the wrong way.
counterclockwise. Is it on there really hard?
Oh my God.
You're the one that put it on there, dude. So
Holy jeez.
Huh.
I don't think you're just screwing this part. You're not unscrewing that part.
Then, I'm holding it.
See, and now
Okay.
Scott doesn't need to feel so bad.
Yeah, no, this is,
Are you learning anything, Scott?
I am learning a lot from doing it the right way. I appreciate it if you don't actually point it toward me. Maybe that's just me. It's sort of like,
Scott's still a little gun shy.
well, yeah, you know, you
It's
don't
just
point a
spinning.
weapon
I know.
at anyone.
You got to hold. We've got to get a tool,
I am
and
holding
we got to get a tool to
I am
hold
holding
this
it.
so that you can. You're not holding it tight enough, though. We need a tool. We'll be right back.
I'm not holding it tight enough. My kung fu grip is not working.
So once we used the tool and got the top off, so here you go.
So you put it. Oh, I got to do it the other way because my other hand looks better. You press and go. They're not gonna be able to see it. You should go on this side.
You're on a GoPro.
I'm on a GoPro?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, all right.
Yeah.
Then I'll do it this way. And I can hear it, and it's going, and oh, look at that.
That is amazing.
No mess.
As long as it works.
And then you open it up, and we're kind of
It's good. Yeah, it'll squirt right. You can do it around there if you need to. And there it goes. All works.
Craig, you're
Yay.
amazing.
I'm amazing.
I've never said otherwise.
That's why we need an expert. But now perhaps Scott will have conquered his fear of the
I am,
Great Stuff
Suddenly-
professional can.
suddenly I am at one with the great stuff.
You are at peace with the Great Stuff can?
I am.
Well then,
Thank you, Wise
young
Master Yoda.
Padawan, take the Great Stuff
Oh.
can and continue.
Oh, and by the way, it's nice of Craig to make a guest appearance in this
Yeah,
this
thanks.
episode.
Well, hey, no problem.
So
Yeah, no, this
thanks for showing up and
I did all my
and,
work
and
yesterday.
fondling
Okay.
our cans.
Yeah. You're
Was
dismissed.
that what you meant? Oh, I totally had another thought.
The exit is that way.
Oh, well.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thanks for coming. So welcome back to Kie and Craig's and Scott.
And Scott.
We're thinking about
Craig
changing.
2.0.
Yeah, we're thinking about changing the name to Kie and Scott's with Craig guest starring.
That'll be working just as fine.
So we have, as far as we know, everything put together. Our
And by we, she means those two guys.
yeah, the two of us. Our
Pretty much, yeah.
so-called expert has made an appearance, so he can tell us
I did that
how
one
we
last
did.
time. I did episode
And
1.
yes, just you. It was just him. So he can tell us what we need to start working on next. So
We're gonna start carving it. So we're drawing on it right now. We're kind of got it all blocked out. We've drawn our shapes and to figure out how much we need to carve away, what we need to keep, and start blending these blocks. It looks like we got a Minecraft creature here. We're gonna start carving these blocks into some nice flowing shapes, more organic, so that it starts to look more like the terror dog and not lumps of sugar.
more organic.
More organic. Did I do that?
I
You
missed that.
did.
I'm
You're
sorry.
like, so to look more organic.
Girl.
All right, so that's going to be our next step. We may or may not end up continuing this in another episode. It will depend on how much we can get done today. We're definitely going to be working on this not just today, but another weekend to try and get this finished. So it's turned
That's
in.
just the carving part too.
Yeah, it's turned into a much bigger job than we were originally expecting, but
Big creature.
I think we're still going to come in way cheaper than buying one, and it's been a fun experience so far, especially with Scott being here. I've really enjoyed my time with Scott.
Although I was
Yeah,
here
I've really
all
enjoyed-
day yesterday.
You just need
She
to give it up.
forgets how
Just
how
give it up,
quickly they
dude.
forget.
Just
No,
give it
no,
up.
How quickly
that's-
they forget.
Just give it up.
It's okay. It's okay.
Thanks, Scott.
We
I
still
know
love
you
you.
understand.
I understand. I understand.
So I think
Now-
I think it should be Craig and Scott's
Actually-
craft corner.
Actually, you know what?
And
we're
you can do it in your garage.
we're done with you right now.
You're done with
So
me? Okay.
Yeah.
Have fun sculpting.
Thank you so much.
See you guys.
Thank you so much, Daddy. You can go back to work now. Whew, so glad he's gone. So anyways, what we're really going to do. All right, well, thank you guys, and we're going to get started on doing the carving. We're here at the end. We've got quite a lot of it done today. I'm very excited to see how it's finally shaping up. Scott has been saw-sawing his little heart out.
it's been a blast.
Yeah, he's found a new passion.
Yes, I know what I want for Christmas.
So, Ida, I hope you're paying attention to that. And so the next time we meet will be in a couple of weeks, and we're going to try and get some more of the carving done on it. Try and get it to the point where we can start testing out the surface products that we're going to try and use on it, which I think is the seal all is what we're going to try. Thanks to some suggestions from one of the DIY Halloween sites. Shout out to you guys. Thank you so much for all your suggestions on how we should finish this off. I appreciate that. Do us a favor, like, subscribe, push all the buttons, do all the things, whatever you need to do to keep seeing our videos. We appreciate it. And we'll see you next time. Maybe it'll just be Scott and I again. We have no idea what happened to Craig.
Good job, guys.
Back in your dungeon.
I'm right here.
The squirrels out here,
I
they're
know.
so loud.
No, but it's me. I'm right here.
Yeah.
Anyways, it's too bad that
Yeah, I wish you could have joined us
Yeah,
on
I
this.
know. Craig
That would
could
have
have only
really
been
nice.
here. But you know, I'm getting kind of used to it.
Yeah,
Craig.
I'm kind of liking it.
Craig,
Yeah.
Craig too.
I'm Craig too. Yeah.
All right, well, thank you so much for joining us, and we will see you next time.
Bye, guys.
Bye.